So today we're doing a couple of dishes on Haskell's Cook and Dine. Very, very simple dishes, and I've picked this young lady up here to show us how simple that this actually is. Her name's May Mcfettridge.
Hello,
how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So today, one of the first dishes we're going to do is a prawn cocktail. Really a simple prawn cocktail. And this comes to use when you pick it up, it's going to be all in containers, everything's ready to go. There's no hassle. So really any food can do it. Really, that's where I'm coming from.
Any food can do
it. Oh, sorry, any lady, sorry.
I can be hurt, you know. Well, I've never done a prawn cocktail. I know, you know what? Niall, I didn't know that, the sauce, and that was mayonnaise with a wee bit of tomato sauce.
It's being realistic, yes it is. It is. It's my roast sauce, it's just mayonnaise, a little bit of Pernod, tomato, pepper,
little bit of
salt.
what?
Pernod.
Pernod?
A little bit of Pernod, a wee bit different because it is James Street, so we have to do something different.
Lovely.
So in the dish itself, you've got a lettuce,
yes.
You've got lemon, so you put lettuce just coming off the sides, a wee bit of presentation.
Lovely.
A wee bit higher, just a wee bit higher.
Oh, sorry about that.
Keep the height on it, yeah. And then we've got some iceberg lettuce or baby jam, whatever you mean, is going to go into it. So we'll put that at the bottom. All that goes in there. Brilliant. It's so simple. This is the key thing. It's unbelievably simple. All in there. Brilliant. And once again, as soon as you get this home, you just put it straight in the fridge. It's ready to go. Brilliant.
There we are.
That's looking beautiful. All the prawn. So the my roast sauce all in there. Do you want to use a spoon there?
Oh yes, thank you very much.
The presentation, you know.
Oh, it's all in the way you do it, isn't it? Oh, look at that clart. See, oh.
That's it. No, that's good. That's it.
I think there's more.
So you get that in there. Yeah. Brilliant. Next thing then, we're going to put our red onion, a little bit of cucumber, and a little bit of pepper just on top of it.
So lovely. I'll just move that
in. That just goes on top of it.
Thank you. I have washed my hands.
You're eating it, so it's fine.
But I think we should have got a bigger glass for me.
Fill it right up there, get it all in there, that's it. Perfect.
Hands like
and then
feet.
next thing we're going to put our lemon on the side of it.
Oh lovely, here we go.
The side of the lemon's there, and we're just going to put it on the side of it. That's perfect, that's exactly it.
All about presentation.
All about presentation, mate. That is perfect. You know, so you look at that dish there, there's a really simple prawn cocktail. May's just done. Amazing.
Isn't that just beautiful? Have a look at that. And this one is especially going out to somebody out there who's lucky enough. Well, I wash my hands. Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
Perfect.
I don't think it could have been any better, only for my bare hand. Beautiful. Really is gorgeous.
Hey, here we go. Our main course. You think of Christmas, you think of turkey. So we've got turkey here, which is in a bag.
That's what I'm looking at, son.
It's different, isn't it? And the thing about this is exactly the same way we do it in the restaurant, in Haskell's, in James Street. It is virtually simmer in a bag. What we've got here is our turkey, which we have butterflied out, we have seasoned, we have made our stuffing and rolled it, we have put it inside, we have steamed the turkey breast very gently and chilled down. We then portion it up, and then we put it inside a sous vide bag.
That is unbelievable. So
yep.
I'm looking at when you open up a box and that's
just like this here.
Dinner.
That's for one person, and that's your main. But once again, you can add on the menu itself. You can add more sides on if you want. All the rest.
But I don't mind telling you, son. Like, see at my Christmas dinner, see my scullery. It's full of nonsense. It's full of pots and pans and everything. But you just get this, and I can't believe that. Like, that's the portion.
That's it.
It's gorgeous.
And this is the easiest part of it. So all you do is just lift it off, and you've got a pot of simmering water. Just gently, don't boil it, just simmering. And we're going to put the turkey into it, in the bag, into the water for 12 minutes.
And that's it?
That's it. And all we're doing is going to cut it and put it on the plate. That's how long it takes. It's that simple. We've got our fondant potato, we've got our pre-roasted carrot, we've got our Brussels sprouts with ham hock, and we've got a little bit of gravy. How simple is that there? And all we're going to do now is put our vegetables into the oven, and we're going to cook them off. And by the time that turkey's ready, they will be roasted. Ready to go. All the recipes, everything is there ready to go.
And you put the gravy
into another pot, and then all we're going to do is melt that down, and you're going to pour it over the top of it. And that's how simple it is. It's the easiest Christmas you'll ever have.
You see the amount of stuff that I go through at Christmas, especially when it's in my house, not Big Patricia's, because she does it all. You go down and you're getting your turkey, you get a half, a crown, or whatever you're getting, or if you're getting the fresh one, stuffing it, cutting all stuff up. It's a total nightmare, it like really is. And then getting your veg, and getting it washed up. This just seems great.
It is. It's the simplest thing in the world to do, and it gives you more time to have a glass of wine and socialise.
Took the words right out of my mouth, son.
We should have a glass of wine
No,
now.
I don't see much wine here. Anyway, it's too early in the morning.
So May, here we go. Next thing is, we're ready to go. Veg is in the oven, about to come out. Our turkey's been in there, nicely cooking away. See all the butter and all the juices?
That's unbelievable.
It's class, isn't it? And then all we're going to do
All you do is what?
cut the bag. Just put it out onto the plate like so. You get all those juices there.
Juice out.
Yeah, and we're not going to serve that up anyhow. And then all I want you to do is transfer that onto the plate.
Transfer this onto the plate.
I'll show you now. I'll do it for you.
Oh yes.
There we are, onto the plate.
Lovely.
Brilliant. And then we're going to take the fondant and the carrot out of the oven, which is a bit hot. You've got your Brussels sprouts with your ham hock, and you're going to place it on the plate. Well, let's see your creative skills here.
Oh yes, well let me see.
That's it, just throw it on there, man.
It's as simple as that.
That's it.
Look
It's
at
all going
that.
down in one way, as the saying goes. Now your fondant and your carrot, on that goes. Made beautiful.
And I think that would look nice.
And then all I want you to do is then put a little bit of gravy over the top of it.
Oh,
Like so, just pour it over, just close your eyes, don't worry about it. Straight over, brilliant. Perfect, mate. There we have every dribble on there. And this is all made in-house, everything's here. And do you want to have a wee taste of it? Tell me what you think.
Oh,
First turkey of the year. There we are.
Oh look, that
See how moist it
knife is just gone clean through that. That's beautiful. Wee sprout. Bit of the turkey.
Do you want to try the stuffing as well? Because the stuffing's right in the middle of it, so it's all one dish, ready to go. It's so simple. So it takes all the hassle out of Christmas this year. Christmas should be fun, or even more fun. Nobody has to slave in the kitchen. We're all ready to go. Flavours are there. Everything's done for
And
you.
the turkey is so moist.
You don't even need a knife, fork and a spoon.
You could. Look at that. You just turn your head on and see what I can do here with this.
Go for it, mate. We'll make a chef out of you, mate.
I could hoover all of that.
Off you go.
Only we're busy. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous?
Say
Well
no more.
done, chef. That's
Thank you.
superb.
Brilliant.
Lovely.
May, last dessert. To me, it's one of my favourite. Once a year I have it. It's Christmas pudding with a brandy sauce.
Yeah.
It just comes in this here, we quarter pint mould. And all you have to do is just steam it, really, for 25 minutes on a very gentle steam. So you're just working away at it like this here. And all I want to do, what we do is we put it on a steamer in a small ring.
Well, I wouldn't have a ring in the house, John.
Just use a saucer.
Saucer,
So it's just
all
a
right.
saucer, and all you need is a pot with a lid on it. Place the saucer inside. And once again, gently, it's not even boiling, it's just gently steaming away. So all you do is just put it on top of the saucer, put a lid on it, and just let it gently steam away. And that will take around about 25 minutes.
What if you have a microwave? Is it microwavable?
Yeah.
Oh,
Make
right.
it easy for yourself. Put it in the microwave, being it's like 3.5 minutes on not full blast, of course, just medium heat. Like I wouldn't have a microwave in the house, of course, because I'm a chef. You would never have
Absolutely.
it there. I do. But it's time and space, and just microwave it really gently with a lid on. It'll come out beautifully. As long as the heat gets into the centre, that's what you want.
That's lovely. There you are. That's it telling us it's near ready.
Nearly ready. So May, we've got the Christmas pudding on steaming, doing its job. It's got a few minutes to go yet. We're going to put our brandy cream, we've got it in the pot there ready to go. We're just going to bring it up to a gentle simmer. We don't want to boil it, because if not, it'll split on you. So we're just going to bring it up.
All the brandy out.
All the brandy, that's no good. We want that flavour coming in there.
No,
And we don't want to reduce down too quickly. So we want it nice and just sauce consistency. That's where you want it. So it tastes amazing. Do you want a wee taste?
I'll put my hand in it.
Go on, you're eating it anyway, so...
That's gorgeous.
Isn't it good?
Beautiful.
So once again, that there's just come up. We're going to let it gently heat away there, really low heat, for around about, being honest, like a minute, 30 seconds.
Lovely.
Brilliant.
And all over the pudding.
You pour it all over. Go for it. So our Christmas pudding is ready to go, steaming.
Lovely.
Our brandy sauce, as you see, we brought up to the boil. All I'm going to do is take it out of the steamer, and all I'm going to do is very simply put it in like that there. And all I want you to do, and can you smell it?
Oh, the pudding just smells. It reminds me of Christmas Eve, because that's what I used to smell. Because Big Patricia used to be making that, and then Christmas morning. It's just,
And it's vegetarian as well.
stop your tongue. I'm getting all emotional. Christmas, and here I just pour this on.
Here we go.
I've always wanted to do this.
Perfect. Excellent.
Look at that. The mess and all, it is absolute gorgeous. Give us a spoon,
There's a
so
spoon right
well, here
beside
we
you.
are. Lovely job.
In you go. Nice and rich. All those flavours are, the fruit flavours, everything's there. Makes it not too hot. How's it taste? It's good, isn't it?
I'm going to tell you something. Now, it's only in the last couple of years that I could have had pudding. See, anything with raisins or currants or anything like that, I wouldn't have had that for a pension. But the way your taste buds just change, especially when you're getting it for nothing. It's beautiful. Oh, gorgeous.
Good flavour. So, but how simple. The key thing is the simplicity of it and the
Totally
flavours.
excellent. It is absolutely gorgeous. You just go around that, you wouldn't leave a bit with it.
You'd lick the bowl.
You nearly take the heel of a loaf to it. Gorgeous.
Thank you.